we could just use the power of magic. Pow! And by the power of magic again, pow! There we have it. Wind deflectors. Done. Welcome everyone to the next instalment on the ST. We have these, what do they call them? Wind deflectors, that's it. Or as this says, Edge Visors. I'll show where I got these on eBay. This was the cheapest I found. I've gone for the kind of, you know, dark tinted looks. Obviously I want that kind of black look, I don't want clear. And instead of having to show you kind of unpackaging them and everything like that, we could just use the power of magic. Pow! So, we've got this is for the 3-door, obviously, and they do a 5-door version as well, just in case you are looking to get for the MK6 and various other models as well, actually. It's not just this one. Let's open them up and have a little quick look at them. Yeah, look pretty good to me. God, they look massive. Is that the real size of a 3-door car? It looks huge. Okay, right, well, actually, I'll start with the passenger one, seeing as this is the one I've got. By the way, I hope this is kind of cool doing it all first-person view. Hello. This way, it's like, you know, you can see exactly how to do it. So actually, before I do that, I'm going to give the window a bit of a clean. Actually, I've just realised I need to open the window fully down. Freaking started to spit. Hopefully it should be all right with what we're doing. Right, anyway, what it actually says to do is, before installing, is to use a bit of lubricant. You can use like a lubricant spray, or you can actually use just a little bit of fairy liquid. And the idea is to lubricate along this like milled edge. So I'm just going to put some all along the edge here. Right, it'll smell nice anyway. And then I'll try and run it just along the top of there, trying not to disturb the sticky pad. Right, okay. Let's take the sticky pads off first. I'm going to use a Stanley knife. Okay, right, let's get it in. So, it goes into that. And then you've got to... Gonna have to slightly bend this just to get it into there. Sorry, I think you're supposed to start from the mirror edge first. Slowly get it under the lip. I think that is in. I'm just gonna make sure it's nice and snug. Hopefully that is right. I'm just gonna use one of these tools here. I'm just gonna see if I can make sure that rubber, there we go, lies on the top. Giving that a good press in. Let's just give it a quick buff, just to make it look cool and clean. I have actually never had these before, but as far as installing, that went in really, really well. Right, let's slowly, now it says to slowly do it with the, slowly do the window up, little bit by bit. Okay, that is fully closed. Cool, so that is both on, and they look really, really smart. Giving the glass a quick little polish, and yeah, I love them. I think the finish is really good. They fitted really, really well. Pleased with how they fitted. No problems really at all. Yeah, I'm just going to leave them now to settle in. I'll just show you the. Excuse, the car is very dirty. So that's the driver's side. That's all in now as well. Yeah. Really, really nice. Fit perfectly. No issues. So yeah, if you're interested in getting a set of these, you can get them from eBay and Amazon. I'll put them a link in the description. So these are the Edge Visors, if you're interested. And yeah, as I said, they don't just do these for the Mark III 3-door, they do these for the 5-door, they do them for various cars. So, you know, if you're looking for a set of these for a different car, like I might actually look at getting some now for the Sportage, just because I think they're really cool. They're really practical as well. You know, when you have got the wind noise, and what would be cool is when I'm doing a point of view now in the future, then hopefully it might reduce a bit of wind noise when I've got the window open. So that's going to be awesome. As always, everyone, really appreciate, you know, if you like, comment below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for future videos, making sure you click the little bell icon for that. Yeah, so, you know, hopefully this was useful for someone who is searching for how to fit these, and for if they're looking at these Edge Visors especially. So thanks all again for watching, and catch you in the next video. Bye.